Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all. First of all, my name is Muhammad Azrin bin Raja Ibrahim. Today I'm going to share you with my favorite book. I'm studying in bachelor degree in entrepreneurships, majoring in e-commerce with honors. So today I'm going to share you with the title of the book, Technology Management and Society. This book published by Pen Management Series. The authors of this book name is Peter F. Drucker. The number of the pages is about 191. The following Technology Management and Society, the author's background. Peter F. Drucker was born in Vienna 1909. It was educated in Austria and England. In 1929, he was the newspaper correspondent abroad and economist for the International Bank in London. And since in 1937, he has been in the United States, the first as an economist of a group British banks and insurance companies, also as a management consultant to several of the country's largest companies. And in 1942 until 1949, Peter Drucker was a professor of philosophy and politics at Bennington College. In 1950, he has been a professor of management at New York University Graduate School of Business. The collection of his book, which includes The New Society, The Effective Executive, The Practice of Management, Big Business, Landmark of Tomorrow, Managing for Results in the Age of Discontinuity, and The New Markets and the other essays. Table of contents, which is listed as below, includes information, communication and understanding, followed by management, a new role, technology trends, the technological revolutions, and notes on the relationships of technology, science and culture, and conclusions, as well as appendices 1 and 2. On the right-hand side, we can see there's revolutions turnover from 1.0 to 2.0, and next in the 3.0, and fourth in 4.0 revolutions in automation and data exchange, digitalization in industrial revolutions. In the preface, keynotes are fundamental unity approaches, which is a work and tool states that technology is not about tools. It deals with how man works actually. It's dealing a process which by means includes with one or in another aspect of what used to be called the material civilizations. In deal with man, tools and materials, with institutions and organizations, and with the way it works and makes his life living. The authors more wrote that he had rejected the common 19th century view which divided a man's society into culture in dealing with ideas and symbols, and civilization dealing with artifacts and things. For the civilizations is about personality, and an area in which he expressed his basic ideals, his dreams, his aspirations and values. Some of the essays explains about technology and its history. Some are about management and managers. Some are about specific tools in the computer. For instance, fifth, by all means, is about man of work, or about man trying to make himself effective in our situations. Number one, information communications and understanding of communications. It is about a concern about information and communication. Is actually started in revolutionary before World War I, with several philosophers was introduced the theory approach of use. For example, in 1910, Russell and Whitehead's Principia Mathematica, and Frederick Biscay on study of general semantics on meaning of communications. The history and about communication suddenly became 40 to 50 years ago a consuming interest of scholars and practitioners. Meanwhile, the following above mentions about communications in management has last century been a central concern to students and practitioners to all institutions, by which includes business, military, public administration, hospital administrations, university administration, and research administrations. In here, there are the numbers of fundamentals. Communications includes which communications is a part of perceptions. Communication is expectation. Communications is also involvement. Communication and informations are totally different, but information press suppose the functioning communications. And number two, management's a new role, which listed first company visions, followed by leaderships. Third is planning and controlling human resources and skills, machineries, and the best of the practices. In the management role, number three, technology trends are revolutionary, the identifications of technology. It defines in a part of movement in era technology, changes or revolution, changes in terms of concept, theory, and application methods. Why? Because of technology. The technology is very important, which the way of improvement and product demanded by end user or consumer. It can be new proof of ideations in a new product or services, which to offer in best result terms of usage and quality. Another, thus, through the technology, it can help to grow production capability in large numbers, volume size, especially in the targeted market and positioning strategies. For example, we take for traditional applications or method of line assembly, by which used in automobile industry by Ford company in the United States, and second followed by new technology applications in various types of mobiles, phone and devices, especially top brands like Apple, Samsung, Lenovo, and Attack. Number four, the technological revolution in society. The following include the relationships of technology, science, and culture, which listed owner purchasing power. Second, with buyer behavioral. Third is trends of movement. Fourth, human care or behavior. Fifth is culture, which is this is the systematic, which is technology moving and revolutionary in society. By conclusions, the other factor of combination towards in three-tier networking together with technology management and society in a revolutionary from beginning in a part of changes from 19th century, 20th century, and 21st century. Moving forward in the current conditions, moreover, for some reason, by practicing an application in terms of a new knowledge application, in terms of guidance, the upgrade of products or service improvement is that to sustainability in the market size and continuously. By finally, the technology brings forward any kind of sources to the next level, by which improve especially formulated a new process and new trends in boosting, in changing a phenomenon and revolutionary in creating pull market in and demanded and economic growth performance Oh, now look at on the right hand side with the Industry 4.0 followed by simulation, system integrations, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, cloud computing, additive manufacturing, augmented reality, big data, and autonomous robot system. So this is our appendices of one which attach another collection book title which include managers and their jobs together with technology management and society, followed by the reality of organizations. This is our love favorite books which I have in keeps and love ever and forever. The last but not least, I have to special thanks to organizer, the Office of Library and Knowledge Center, BPPI, in collaboration with Faculty of Language Studies and Human Development, FBI, and American Corner Kelantan, and University of Malaysia Kelantan. Thank you for watching and happy nice day to all. Thank you very much and bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.